Naimbag nga malem tayo amin, Apo. On behalf of the municipality of Paway, it is my great honor to welcome all of you, our esteemed guests, participants, organizers, and cycling enthusiasts, to this historic launch of the MPDC Tour of Luzon 2025 right here in front of our treasured Paway Church, a UNESCO World Heritage and a proud symbol of our history and resilience. This event is not just any race. It is a beautiful revival of a tradition many of us grew up looking forward to every summer. The Tour of Luzon was once a symbol of excitement, unity, and national pride. And today, we bring that spirit back to life, starting right here in our humble municipality. Indeed, we are proud to be part of this comeback. With our rich heritage, breathtaking scenery, and warm Ilocano hospitality, we are ready to welcome you. So all our cyclists, you are not just athletes competing on the road, but part of a legacy. May this journey across Luzon inspire you with the same wonder and thrill that inspired many of us during our younger days. To the MPDC, our organizers, sponsors, and partners, thank you for your trust and vision, and for reigniting this flame of tradition. As we kick off of the MPDC Tour of Luzon 2025, let us celebrate sportsmanship, heritage, and a hope-filled future. Welcome to Paway, mabuhay ang MPDC Tour of Luzon 2025. Thank you very much, and God bless us all.